When I first heard people were making $900 a day, $20,000 a week, and sometimes even more with digital marketing, I thought, okay, this sounds way too good to be true. Because let's be honest, most of us have seen those internet promises before. They make it sound easy, they make it sound instant, they make it sound like you press a button and money just appears. And I did not want that. I wanted to understand how it actually worked. That is what brought me to this guided program. It explained the blueprint in a way that finally made sense: how digital marketing works, how offers work, how automation helps, how people can create passive income by building the right system. And the best part is, you do not need to start with a big following, experience, or tech skills. You can be brand new and still learn. That is why I share it. Because if you are looking for a side hustle, a work from home option, or a way to work from anywhere, this gives you a clear place to start. If you want to check it out for yourself, go to www.modern-millionaire.com. Enter your email, and I will send you the free blueprint and video that explains everything.